This quick demo shows the Table Tidier button. One click to clean and shrink tables so rows match the actual content's height.
Here's the problem. The table spans 3 pages, but many rows have excessive height caused by extra spaces and line spacing inside cells.
To fix it instantly, open the Oversized tab and click Table Tidier.
The tool scans the selected area, resets cell margins, normalizes line and paragraph spacing inside cells, and fits rows to the content's height.
Watch. Extra line spacing and stray spaces are removed, cell margins minimized, and each row height collapses to match the actual content across all pages.
The result, a compact, readable table that no longer wastes space or breaks layout. No manual dragging required.
Try Table Tidier in Oversized. Save time and make tables publication ready in seconds.